Oh, nature at its best too. Hey, eh? This is Nayana. I love it when we speak with that accent. Very unique. The sun is actually coming out. I'm gonna do a little bit of sun gazing myself this morning. So nature, when you're connected to it, you see yourself, your higher self. All those things are in nature. Beautiful, beautiful day today in the making. And I'm almost done with it. Almost halfway through my 26 miler. So I'm gonna say Karo and Alafia, Alafia, Alafia. May you find peace, love. That's the vibration that we got sent out today. Peace and love. And Odabo, I share.